In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or unlink a Google or Gmail account from Canva, the accurate method. If you've ever connected Canva to your Google or Gmail account and later wanted to remove that connection, this walkthrough is based on the current Canva interface and will show you exactly what is and isn't possible. I'll guide you through the settings so you know where to look, what you'll find, and what your real options are. First, open Canva on your desktop. Sign in using your Google account as you normally would. This ensures you're inside the correct profile that's linked to Google, so you're seeing the right settings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. In the menu that opens, select Settings. This is where Canva keeps all account-related controls. On the left sidebar, click Login. This is the section that governs how you access your Canva account. Take a moment to review what's available here. You'll see areas for login, password, passkey, recovery methods, and security. These categories are designed to help you manage how you sign in and how you recover your account if you get locked out. Here's the key takeaway. On this page, there is no option to unlink or remove a Google or Gmail account from Canva. You won't find a button labeled Unlink Google or Disconnect. As of the current interface, Canva doesn't provide a direct toggle to detach Google sign-in from an existing Google-linked account. If you logged in with Google when the account was created, that connection remains in place. Now, if your goal is to completely remove that Google-linked Canva account, there is an option for that. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for Delete Your Account. This is the only route within Canva's settings that truly removes the Google-linked account from Canva's system. Use this carefully. Deleting the account means you'll permanently lose your designs, folders, brand settings, and any other data associated with that profile. If there's anything you might need later, consider downloading your work or confirming you no longer require access before proceeding. If you simply wanted to check whether unlinking Google is possible, you've now seen the definitive answer in the current interface. If you want to preserve your content, stop here and leave the account as is. If you truly need to remove it entirely, the Delete Your Account section is where you would continue. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.